All right, we now move on to speaking part 2. Describe a gift you would like to buy for your friend. This topic is in the future tense. A gift you would like to buy. So mainly you have to use future tense, and you can talk about anything that you have planned. You have a friend who's got birthday and all that. Please, over to you.
Okay, I have received and given many gifts in my life, and today I am here to discuss a gift that I will bought.
I will buy.
I will buy a gift for my friend on his birthday. So it is a watch. I know my friend very well, so he has always interested in using the new technology, updated technology as well. So I decide when I am using the social media accounts like a Facebook, I saw a ad. I saw an ad on Facebook, and I decided that time I have to buy this smartwatch for him on his birthday, and so for that time I decided to save my money.
I've decided since that time,
Since that
I
time
decided to save money.
I decided to save my pockets money, and I just avoid that to buy a chocolate as well. So when I represent him on his birthday,
No,
then
this is future. So you will talk about the gift. You say, when I'm going to present this gift to him on his birthday, he will be very happy.
Okay.
He or she?
he
Okay?
yes sir.
All right. Okay, so that's fine. Focus the topic. Speak in the future tense.
Okay.
That's mainly fine. Because gift you have not bought, you have
Okay.
not ordered, you will buy.
Yes sir.
Let's go on. Speaking part 3. What is the importance of gifts?
Gifts are very important for the human being to make a good relationship between us, because it's a gesture of life and a gesture of love as well. So it's makes this it makes this strong relation between the human beings, and it makes the feel to anyone that how much they are important for us as well.
All right. Okay. Thank you.